Hey everybody, hey, it's Lee over here at Junk Removal Authority, where we help junk removal business owners make more money and live a better life. You can check us out at junkra.com for more information. The JRA Business Package has helped over 50 junk removal business owners get into business, grow, and build multi-million-dollar a year junk removal companies or be on that path. It's the franchise alternative. It's just as great support as a franchise, a fraction of the cost, no commitments. So if you need assistance, which all of us do, if you need assistance when you're looking to start a junk removal business and you've considered a franchise, but you've decided against that route, or you want to compare the two, go to junkra.com for more info and reach out to us at 919-617-1975. All right, branding is something that we're going to be talking a lot about, both at JunkCon that's upcoming, as well as Sam and I have some videos around branding that are going to be released in the coming weeks and months. One of the most critical parts about branding is your uniform. Why is uniform super important? Well, the one thing you've got two things in your junk removal business that are visual, that people are actually going to be able to see. One is your truck. The second thing is the people that represent your company, the people that are coming onto the customer's site, to their home, removing their junk. So the uniform, the very first thing you have to decide is what kind of brand do you want to have? What is the image you want to portray? Is it the same image that your big boy junk removal companies, your Big Blues, your Junk Kings, your College Hunks? Is it the image that they portray, which is the polo shirt with some type of either black or khaki pants and then a steel toe boot? Or do you want to have a more casual look? Are you going for the local junk removal company look, but you still don't want to look like a slob? You still want to look like a team. You still want to look decently professional. So maybe you decide you want to go with a t-shirt. Or maybe you're going for a sporty look. There's one of the franchises out there, instead of doing the full polo, they've got like athletic type shirts that they use, and that's the brand they want to portray. So whatever feeling you want your customer to have about your company, you need to make sure the uniform that you're wearing portrays that. So client perception is one reason you want to be very intentional about your uniform. You want to make sure your uniform speaks to your brand. So what are the other reasons? Well, how do you want your team members to feel and perceive the job? If y'all remember, like back in high school, the old saying, dress for success, that was something that we had to do every so often. You had to dress up and wear a suit or whatever. And the whole idea behind that was dress for success and dress for how you want to be perceived. But what also happened is not only how you want to be perceived, it's how you perceive yourself. So when you dress up and you go and do something, then you're automatically, your mindset's changing because you're dressed differently. So you're not going to show up in a suit and tie for junk removal. That would be ridiculous. But if you're dressed with a polo shirt, nice pants, good shoes, and it's all the same, then the team, you're dressed like a team, and also you're dressed professionally. They're not just showing up wearing whatever, a hoodie or whatever else that they generally would wear that has no logo on it or anything. They're going to act completely different. So as soon as you upgrade your uniform, you're going to be amazed. A lot of times your team is also going to upgrade. And then your perception and performance. So there is something also when you're paying attention to the little details like that and you just get involved on everything about your brand and about your business, those little details are going to add up, and all of a sudden your business is going to grow. It's going to be run really well, and you're going to be super proud of it. Just by having a great uniform, by having great looking trucks, your perception of yourself and your company is also going to raise up. Again, I'm Lee Godbolt with Junk Removal Authority, where we help junk removal business owners make more money and live a better life. Hey, if you guys are looking to get more customers, the JRA Digital Marketing Service Bundle is the way to go. Google Ads Management, SEO, and website. So make sure you check us out at junkra.com for more information. No junk removal marketing agency out there has helped more junk removal companies achieve their dreams, their goals, and get more customers. Junkra.com. Thanks for watching.